Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in the P10, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, grab a tiny tool like a SIM removal tool, paper clip, pen, something that is going to be tiny enough that you can press a little tiny reset button. Then open up your vacuum, make sure it's powered on too. So if it's not powered on, press the power button. You'll hear startup music. And then you'll eventually have a blinking light, then a solid white light. So our unit's powered on. Make sure your unit's powered on. Grab a tool like this. And right next to this little Wi-Fi indicator button, there's this reset button. So to the left of the blinking blue light, we're going to press and hold that button down until we hear a voice prompt letting us know that it's being factory reset. So we're going to press it. We're keeping it held down.
Restoring to factory settings.
About 3 seconds or so, we hear the restoring to factory settings. I can tell the unit is doing something internally, even though the lights are off. So we'll just give it a minute to work its way through the cycle to eventually, when the lights come back on, there we go. The lights are now blinking again, and we'll continue to wait while it initializes and boots itself back up. There's the startup chime. Lights are still flashing. Eventually, here in a second, they will go solid white.
Mova robot. Please open robot's cover and scan QR code to download app to view more operations.
So the lights are solid white now. We got the initial startup chime and music, and then we have the prompt to complete setup.
Place robot back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing start charging, it means the installation is in place.
So there we go. It's now set up like new again, and it's been completely wiped and restored to go through that whole process again.